How to open contract service on Huobi DM, Huobi Futures. Welcome to Huobi DM, Huobi Futures tutorial step by step. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open contract service on Huobi DM, Huobi Futures. Before trading, you have to open contract service on Huobi DM, Huobi Futures with your registered Huobi account. There are 3 steps to go. 1. Verify ID information. 2. Complete contract risk verification. 3. Sign up user agreement. First, let's take a look at how to complete identity authentication. Log in Huobi account. Move your mouse to portrait icon on top right of navigation bar. Click ID verification on the pull-down menu to enter the verification page. Type in your name, ID number, and click Submit to submit your ID information. You will see a green tick on this page once your ID verification request is approved. Second, complete risk verification. Click Futures on navigation bar to enter contract trading page. You'll see a pop-up to remind open contract service. Click OK to enter contract risk verification page. Read all requirements and ensure all verifications completed before risk verification. Click Verification on the last item of this page to enter Contract Risk Verification page. Sign your name in the box with your mouse and click Submit to submit risk verification information. You'll see a green tick once risk verification request is approved. Last, we need Sign Up User Agreement. Click Next Step to enter User Agreement page. Read Terms of User and Legal Statement carefully. If you agree all clauses and terms, tick them in the boxes and click Submit. After all these 3 steps completed, you can start trade on Huobi DM, Huobi Futures now.